everyone, it's Maven from BrandsMart USA. Today we're very excited to show you the MXT50, aka the Samsung Giga Party Speaker. Let's waste no time and let's turn up. Fill the room with the bi-directional sound. It's uniquely designed to fill any space with 500 watts of high-power audio. Enhance your party with fun light modes including party, ambient, and dance. Set the lighting effect that matches your rhythm and start dancing. This speaker also comes with a mic input, so you can sing your heart out with the karaoke mode. Sync your devices and synchronize sound with group play. This feature allows you to fill the entire room by connecting multiple Samsung Sound Tower devices for a more immersive sound experience. With the spill-resistant top panel, you won't have to worry about accidental drips or splashes. Just enjoy the party. Let's double the fun with the multi-Bluetooth connection feature, which allows you and a buddy to connect your device at the same time. Hey, Wendell, you trying to connect? Be the DJ and set the right vibe with the Giga Party Audio app. Control your party. Download the app to adjust the built-in LED lighting and sound effects and your EQ settings right from your Android or iOS device. Don't forget to party on. And there you have it. Take your party to the next level with the Samsung Giga Party Speaker. Available right now at BrandsMart USA.